Why is it so important for a business owner to have an estate plan? Why is it important for anyone to have an estate plan? But I'll give you a few reasons. The first of which in this video, why it's important for business owners. If your estate plan consists only of a will, it's the only document you have. If you're the owner of a business, when you pass away, your business will have to go through probate. Probate is the process. Some courts call it probate court. In New York, we call it surrogates court. The will itself, as a document, is a valid document, can be a valid document if executed properly. But if you have a will, it must be taken to probate court, surrogates court in New York. It has to be validated, it has to be confirmed. An executor has to be appointed. The person that's the executor of a will needs the permission and authority to disperse your business, distribute your business, follow the rules of the will. Four reasons why, as a business owner, you might want an estate plan. I'm up to number 2. Should you pass away without a will? No, not pass away. Nope. Issue 2. Should you become incapacitated by illness or injury and you don't have a trust in place? You could have a will, but the will would be kaput, no good, no use at all. A will, if properly executed, is a fine document. It's a valid document, but it has no effect during your life. So if you're a business owner and you don't die, but you become incapacitated, car crash, coma, accident, onset of dementia, should any of those things happen to you, a will makes you SOL. A trust would be the proper document in that spot scenario. Another document that would be helpful would be a durable financial power of attorney. Right? It'll allow you to run a business, engage with the accountant, sign checks, and the power of attorney won't do that for the incapacitated person, but it will allow a person, trusted person, the agent, in place of you, sign the checks. I would hope that if you're a financial power of attorney could instantly cure incapacity, but it only puts someone to stand in your financial shoes. Third, a fourth reason why a business owner should want an estate plan. Number 3, if you own a business and your business partner dies and your business partner doesn't have a will or an estate plan, right, a trust, well, you will wind up in business possibly with your dead business partner's heirs. So you need 2 things. You need a business plan, buy, sell, an arrangement to purchase your business partner's portion of the business. You need the liquidity. Where are you going to get the money to pay for your business partner's percentage, right? It must cost something. If it doesn't cost much, maybe the family can hold a note. Maybe if it's not worth much, you don't want to buy it, you just want to sell to a third party. You and the heirs of your deceased business partner can get together and sell to a third party. But if there's no will, no estate plan, you might just be stuck. And how easy will it be to operate the business with probably uninvolved third parties? The widow, the widower, the adult children, the siblings. I don't know who you're dealing with, but it's probably a problem. The best way to fund the purchase, the potential purchase, would be with a life insurance, the proceeds of a life insurance plan. So we need a buy-sell agreement and an insurance policy. All right? fourth reason a business owner should have an estate plan. If you own a business and you just name a relative to inherit your property, your business, or you don't have an estate plan and several of your relatives wind up with a piece of your business, maybe with a partner that you have, maybe 4 relatives owning the entirety of your business. Well, if you don't give them a business succession plan, you've probably doomed your business to failure and the relatives to, frustration, concern, angst, right? A series of emotions, and we don't want to do that. We want to have a succession plan where you give a business blueprint, how to run the business, what to do, who to contact, who your key employees are, what compensation structure they should have, salaries, bonuses, profit sharing, the full 9. Think about that. You should have an estate plan, right? So you don't leave things to chance. You should have a business succession plan. Maybe have a buy-sell with your partner. Maybe give instructions to the relative on how to sell your business, or who key corporations or entities in your field are, and who might be interested in buying, or who you could sell to, or who your vendors are. If you need to discuss this, right? Instead of going off the top of my head, I actually have a list of questions, an intake sheet, something to spur on the dialogue. Right? I listen and I suggest. Mindfulness and intention, hydration, regular exercise, all of these ideas, hobbies, activities, they go a long way. They're good for us mentally and physically. It's very important. Right? That's easy to say. It's very important. Of course it's important. Another thing is to stay connected. Who are we connecting with? Family and friends. Aging alone. The way I said it, right? Does it make sense to say aging alone is lonely? Being lonely is a problem of aging if you're not connected. It's the best way to say it. Make new friends. Reconnect with old friends. Put past grudges and the lack of attention in the rearview mirror, and reach out to an old friend. Rekindle the relationship. Friends go a long way, especially as you're aging and some of your friends are passing. Go down in age. Get some friends in their 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, all the way to the 90s. And be friendly with the 90-year-old that's going to live to 110. Yes, it's a real thing. Stay safe and well. See you soon. If you need me, frankbrunolaw.com.